How to log out of the DeepSeek app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek app and log into your account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on two lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up after you click on two lines on top left corner of your screen. Then click on your profile located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find log out option below contact us. Click on log out, then click on log out again, and you'll be logged out of your account in DeepSeek app. This is how to log out of DeepSeek app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.